So this is Singapore's national salad. It's called Rojak. I mean, people used to describe this as what Singapore is, a multiracial, multi-colorful, multi-everything, multi-flavor nation. That's why we have so many strange stuff we put into this salad, from fruits to jicama to cucumber to pineapple, and we've got toasted crullers or dough sticks, and then mixed in this crazy sauce. And this is the crazy sauce I'm talking about. This stinky sweet, yeah, shrimp paste. I don't know how to describe this taste, but put some in there. It's very, very sticky. About that much, okay. Tamarind juice, just about that much, not too much. Overpower. And then you put in about 2 spoons of sugar. Toss in all those fruits and tubers and goody stuff. We'll put in the roasted crullers later. Try to stir the sauce at the base. Make sure it's a good mix. Then slowly roll them about. Try not to press into the fruits or the tubers and to release their juices. Just give it a good mix. Spoonful of chili sauce into them. Stir. A bit of heat to all that sweetness and tamarind sourness. And last but not least, just put the toasted crullers and dough sticks in there. Just a quick stir. Don't put all the sauce in there, keep them dry. And now the finishing touch. Toasted crushed nuts. It tastes like everything on a plate. Yes.